Hi, this is the owner. Cell phone. Yes, Zaldi. Hello. Well, I'm Julie. His student tutor, or whatever. Basta. And this is my other tutor. Her name is Ate Malu. Go back to Zaldi. Well, he's doing tutoring with my elder sister. Actually, math. Yeah, see, there's more numbers. So, let's talk more about you. Okay.
Kasi lang, ano lang naman ang math problem. So, money lang ito. 1, 3, and 5. Oh.